Hey, that man was the reason why I quit acting.
Hello everyone, hope usuku lakho luhamba kahle. Upheni Ntuli owaziwa njengomsakazi weJozi FM, zamazi-ke sonke njengomsakazi weGagas FM. Ukhipheke izimfihlo ezimenze ukuthi agcine esekhohlwa into eyayiyiphupho lakhe esakhula. Upheni Ntuli-ke uthi wayeseqede konke ngomunye wemidlalo yaku-TV ku-SABC2 wayesezo-acta kuwona. Uthi konakala-ke esethi omunye wamajaji kumele afike azolala naye ehhotela thizeni. Uthi wanele wabona leyo meseji wavesane wazitshela nje ukuthi soze yena aphisane nenkukhu yakhe ngenxa yokuthi ufuna ukubonakala kumabonakude. Upheni Ntuli-ke sonke siyazi ukuthi akafihli nje, siyakhumbula sonke edalula ukuthi iGagasi limkhokhela malini, namanje nje uthe eqeda nje ukusho ukuthi abanye bavula imilenze ukuze badume. Kwavela nabanye-ke ukuthi nabo bala ukuphisana nenkukhu yabo ukuze badume emculweni kanye nakwi-TV. Asambeni-ke somlalela ukuthi uthini uPheni Ntuli. Shone khonana.
Hey, that man was the reason why I quit acting. So let me tell you what happened 9 years ago. I think it was 2017. Yeah, 2017. Hey lwabhuti usekuubaba nje manje, sikhohlakala sekhehla lesana. So angazi nini kuphume iposter yokuthi kunama auditions of actor and ama judge akhona waseGoli and ama actors aziwa. I think kwakhona i-director phakathi, kube khona i-actor umuntu wesifazane naye-ke lo bhuti who was, who is a big actor. Odlala nje kwenye show ya SABC2 engeke ngiyidalule, kodwa ke esahluleka ngithe mengifike eGoli nganaka ukuthi si-KZN sihlulekile ukubizelela gama. Futhi ngizoyidalule thina sasithi umvango kanti umbango. So anyway, mfethu like ngaphatheka kabi because lo muntu ngikhule ngimbuka ngimhlonipha, but izinto indlela ezenzeka ngayo ngathi mengiphuma noma kwenzeka leyanto lwaphela nje mfethu uthando lokactor lwaphela nya, like nya, phindange ngathi sa audition. I think saphuma ngabo 8 sesigijimela ukuthi sikhave taxi ke manje ekhaya. Mes audition ekuthiwa sifike futhi ngakusasa siqhubeke la sigcine khona, sifike siqhubeke la sigcine khona. Ama audition kashesha phela ngabo 2. Sithi sisetaxini hayibo ku WhatsApp wami because manje after the second round khona iphepha obunikwa lona. Leli phepha obunikwa lona bubhala igama, isibongo, uhlalaphi, bengisahlala eMlazi, uhlalaphi, inamba yakhe ithini. Hayi ngishiye konke lokho yabo. Hayibo akuphelanga nesikhathi singakanani ngithola uWhatsApp mfethu. But manje menguthola lo WhatsApp, it is this actor guy and I was starstruck, man. I was shocked. I'm like, did he just personally contact me? Yebo. Ngitshengisa uSanele ngithi uSanele nabo bengithinta yabo mhlawumbe nawe sebezokuthinta. But yabo khona lento engizwa ukuthi no, but this is off yabo, ngoba muya kwama audition yabo, you don't get directly contacted by judge, ucontactwa production yabo. So ngitshela ukuthi since judge mhlawumbe khona nesikhundla thizeni asiphethe, maybe it's part of production angazi, but I'm just excited mfethu ngiyingane nje mina, I'm excited ukuthi yazini ngiyaphopa ke manje. I'm like, this is me kickstarting my acting career. So athi hey Penny, I hope you're well. Siyaphila nathi baba ninjani? Naye siyaphila. Athi don't call me ubaba, nguntanga wenu mina. Hayibo ngibe nalokho ukuthi hayibo untanga wethu kanjani lo muntu ngikhule ngimbuka emdala ngalo yabo. But ngiphume nje lapho because mina my focus is me securing that acting career. This is my breakthrough, so this is not the time for me to ngiphendule snacks. Athi it was amazing seeing you, ngumuntu waseGoli, but I've seen a lot of beautiful things here in KZN. I think babethi Natal, I've seen a lot of beautiful things here go Natal. ulwandle, abantu baseNatal, the language, the culture, and you. Mina ngumuntu ke who can read the room. Mina ngeke ungidide, ngingakutshela mengena endaweni uthi lo la kukanjani. Manje I can read the room even kwama text ke mina eqala kudala lena. Athi ngithi mina and you. Ibuza uthi manje lo bhuti ufuna ngiphendule kanjani. Ngithi mina ngitwiste lento ngithi mina hopefully you're gonna see all that beauty on screen soon enough if this comes through or if this goes through yabo. Sengimbuyisela ekutheni I hope lo buhlo bubona la eNatal. Me ukuthi nami ngiyabaleka lapho. I hope uzongibona nase screenini maduzana. Yabo phela nami ngiyamtshotha yabo phela make the right choice fethu. Izinto zami ikhaya. Athi uhlalaphi ngithi mina ngihlala eMlazi. Masethi nami basibhukhele khona la ehotela eLazi. So I think it was a Central Hotel. I think kwakusekhona Hilton. Yeah. Athi bambhukhele Hilton. I think it's noma Southern Sun. Between those two, kodwa he was by the beach because wangishutela isithombe ebuka ibeach. Ngithi mina that's very nice. Athi bangibhukhele la ngithi mina that's very nice. Ngishutela ibeach. Yabo. Ase athi wathi lo baba ngimina hopefully you'll make it to screen if you can make it to my room tonight. Ngafunda kwezami ukuthi la kuthiwa wozovula imlenze ukuze uthole lo msebenzi. Mfethu ngisetekisini ebuyele eMlazi yathi idlule eMega City ngafunga ngagomela ukuthi indaba yokuactor never again.
Okay everyone, sivala lana ke i-video namhlanje sibeka unqi. I really hope you enjoyile i-video namhlanje. If you enjoyile, make sure you smash lo like button, uphinde usmash nalo subscribe button, and also comment down below ukuthi wena uyibona kanjani lento yaPheni Ntuli nalama director nama actor afuna ukuthi unikele ngekoko yakho ukuze ukwazi ukuthi uvele kwi-TV. But mina ke okwamanje I will see you in the next video. Bye.